Welcome to Dakota family. We are enjoying Mother Nature, watching the fish come up, snatch those bugs that are on top of the water. It's sunset. Perfect ending of Labor Day weekend. Just my wife and I enjoying this little pond that we have in town. We're looking at the wildlife as far as fish, hearing the birds and all that. You can smell the fresh water in here. The little pond water. See the algae growing and all that. It's beautiful. Sometimes you have to take time out to enjoy beautiful things in life. Somebody's fishing over there, or throwing rocks. They're throwing rocks. Anyways, this is a little oasis in the city. This is it's owned by the Missouri Rehabilitation Center. The city took over this property and all that. They're in the process of cleaning it up. Few buildings are going to be tearing down over there and all that, but they already got early childhood in the Missouri Rehabilitation Center and all that. My wife likes wildlife. She told me she was the boss and I was to take her home, and I ended up taking her to a place that she likes, that she loves.
I'm trying to see if there's any fish will pop up. I've been hearing a lot of splashes.
Yep, we're just looking for any fish splashes.
There's been a lot right over there.
Yep, there's ripple over there. Probably got some little bit bass, perch, maybe some catfish, carp. My wife and I love wildlife. Kids are eating McDonald's right now, and we're just decided to take time out to enjoy life.